Hi folks, Tom here. Going to take another look at something which has come into the Talent product within the last few weeks, and that is the option to not only add reason codes to absences, but also to make them required at the point where the absence has been requested. As we'll see, that's particularly useful once again when we're looking at sickness absences. Okay, so I'm going to start off once again within the leave types form, and you can see I've got a leave type here which I've created called sickness. And there's a reason code required slider which is set to yes, and what that does, well, you can see the reason code every time you create an absence. If this is set to yes, it will make that field a mandatory field on that form. You can then see I can add a number of reason codes to this particular leave type. In this case these are sickness types. There were no available options left in that reason codes list, so I'm just going to search for reason codes up in the search bar, go and find that list and add some new options. So obviously the reason codes list is broader than just sickness, and I can filter them contextually using this this form here, these slider options. So we're going to add a sickness reason of chickenpox. We've probably all had it, hopefully. And there we go, added that in, and I've just selected leave and absence there so that that option shows up in this leave types list. If I come back now into leave types, once again I'm going to search because this really is the quickest way these days of navigating the system. And click back on my sickness leave type, hit add, and I should now see that there's an available option, an available sickness reason code option. Save that, and my option has been added to my list. If I now go to the People Hub and I search for Ellie, Ellie's one of my employees. Now, she, as we've seen in a previous What's New video, doesn't have access to record sickness for herself because that leave type is restricted. So as a member of the HR team, I'm going to go and log that sickness for her. I come in, I hit sickness, I open up this reason code, and those are my lists of values, and now I can enter the dates for the absence. So you can see now that the ability to not just add reason codes but also to make them mandatory is a really great feature.